or welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, my name is Shilpa and this is my channel Bhong Beauty Vlog, and I make videos here about beauty, fashion and marketing. So yes, if you are interested, please keep on watching. Now let's get started with the intro. So for today's video, I'm going to review Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera range, which I'm using from quite some time, and I actually amazed by this range. So yes, please make sure you are watching the full video. This is the aloe range from Wow Skin Science, and these products are 100% natural, chemical free, and also these are cruelty free. Another amazing thing is Wow Skin Science India Himalayan born brand. Also, their workforce currently consists of 80% women, which is amazing. Also, as you can see, the packaging is completely eco-friendly. So first, let's start with the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Hydrating Face Wash. This face wash comes attached with a brush that made with soft silicone, gently exfoliates your skin and remove the skin dulling layer of dead skin. Not only this face wash helps to remove the dead skin cells, but also this brush helps to improve the blood circulation. It also clears out the clogged pores. Yes guys, you heard it right. And don't think this brush is harsh. This brush is so soft and really gentle to your skin. Also, this face wash doesn't dry my skin at all. You know why? Because it has aloe vera, green tea, calendula flower and cucumber, which help to cleanse your skin without causing any dryness. So as you can see, I am massaging it really gently on my skin, and it feels so amazing and so refreshing. I am really enjoying while using this face wash. So after massaging it up to 1 to 2 minutes, I am going to wash it off with normal water. So as you can see, I have just washed my face, and my skin feels so cool and really fresh. And this face wash is suitable for all skin types. And can you see the glow? The second product I am going to use is Wow Skin Science Peel Off Gel Mask. Yes guys, and don't think this is like other peel off gel mask, because guys, I am using this gel mask from quite some time, and I can assure you gonna love this one. As you can see, it comes with a spatula and it is really easy to use. After cleansing your face, you have to take sufficient amount of this mask, and you have to apply it on all over your face, and don't forget to apply it on a thick layer. This face mask helps to stimulate collagen production and reduce dryness. Not only dryness, it also helps to calm down the irritated skin, and also it helps to reduce the redness. Yes guys, I was facing a lot of redness problem and acne problem, so I was using this and I got an amazing result guys. Now let me tell you how it does the job. It has aloe vera extract in it, which helps to repair the dry and parched skin, and also gives an anti-inflammatory soothing relief. It also has pro-vitamin B5, which helps to reduce the hyperpigmentation for even complexion, and after that you will get a smooth skin. It also helps to remove the dead skin cells and the deep seated dirt. Yes guys, I know it sounds yuck, but it's true. It helps to remove the dirt and also dead skin layer. And so as you can see, I have applied it, and now I will wait for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I am going to remove it. Remember, you have to remove it on the upward direction. Yes guys, as you can see on the screen, I am removing it on the upward direction. Can you see my smoothened skin? This gives an instant result. Yes guys, you should definitely give this one a try, and it doesn't hurt like other peel off gel mask. It is really easy to apply. Can you see? I'm going to quickly wash off my face with normal water and will be back. Can you see the glow on my skin? My skin feels so soft and so smooth. If you want to quickly detoxify your skin, just give this one a try. I'm going to use one of my favorite product from Wow Skin Science. This is their new launched Lift and Firm Aloe Vera Gel. Yes guys, and the best part is it has a roller. Can you see this? You don't need to buy extra jet roller or anything. It is really easy to use. Also, it is really travel friendly package and really easy to use. This is not a gel, this is actually a gel cream, as you can see, and it feels so smoothing and really relaxing when you apply it. This roller helps to give definition to cheeks, jawline and neck. The aloe vera gel is infused with jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B and E. So as I already have said, this aloe vera gel is mainly a gel cream, and it provides deep hydration, and also it feels non-sticky and non-greasy, and it gives your skin a velvety finish. And not only these properties, this aloe vera gel also has anti-aging effect that helps to minimize the fine lines and fill out the deep wrinkles and give your neck a firm look. So after applying this aloe vera gel, I am going to just slightly massaging my face, and can you see the glow on my skin? My skin feels so soft, so smooth and so glowy. And can you see the glow? It is really amazing. I can't express how I am feeling right now, and it really amazing. Guys, you should try this range. This range is absolutely my favorite, and this range is suitable for all skin types, so you can definitely give this one a try. So Wow Skin Science is an amazing brand, especially this range is absolutely my favorite. And also I will mention all the purchase links on my description box. So yes, if you want to, you can check it out, and I will suggest you guys try this range for once. Especially this product is amazing, a miracle product. Guys, trust me, you should definitely try this product, and you will not regret. That is all for today's video about this range. So, and if you like this video, and please don't forget to share this video with your family and friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yes, that's it. Stay home, stay safe and stay beautiful. Bye bye.